In this video, we will learn how to get passport in one day. So for that, we'll go on gov.uk, write get a passport urgently. Click search. Because my passport is about to expire and I need to travel as soon as possible, so I need it in one day. So this is what the guidance says. The guidance says it will cost me £222. The earliest you can get an appointment is 2 days after you apply. Further, it says 1 week fast track. So fast track is also for renew a passport, because I just need to renew my passport. This will cost me £178, but I'll go for the 1 day premium service. So for that, just go down, click start now. Then you will have these questions. Check your eligibility. So click on check your eligibility. Do you live in the UK? Yes. Date of birth? Continue. Have you had UK passport before? Yes. Continue. Have you changed your name since your last passport? No. Is your passport lost or stolen? No. When was your passport issued? So we'll enter that date. Next question is, do you want to submit this photo? Yes, this photo meets the rule. Just make sure everything is perfect. Next one is old passport detail. Enter your passport, old passport number, expiry date, and then click continue. New passport details. Enter your title, first name, last name. Click continue. Next question is, have you ever used any other names? So for example, you have changed your middle name or anything? No. Continue. Gender, I'll select gender male. Were you born in UK? Yes. No. So yes. Town of birth, you will mention your town of birth, for example Edinburgh. Continue. Next question is find your home address. So enter your postcode, click find address. It will give you the list of addresses. Select one, the one which is your address. Click continue. Enter the contact details. Confirm your email address, your mobile phone number. Continue. Your email doesn't match. Okay, just make sure the capital letters and everything match, because that's what the issue is. Next question is get updates. Find out what's happening with your passport. For example, when it's on its way. Yes, I want email as well, and I want text messages as well. It's optional. You don't need to pay anything extra. Choose the size of your new passport. So standard is 34 pages, which is £178. Frequent traveler 54 pages, £191. So I'll go for the standard. 34 would do the job for me. That means 34 trips easily. Do you need a braille sticker? No. We can add a sticker that reads passport, your name, and passport expiry date. So yes, I am blind, visually impaired, so in that case we don't need. So no. Signing a new passport. I understand and will sign my passport. Yes, sure. Who is the passport for? I'm applying it for myself. If you're applying for someone else, for example child, you can click someone else. Next question is check your application. So check all the questions. If everything is correct, then go further. Once you're happy with everything, so I got the 1 week fast track appointment, which is tomorrow. This is the office where I'm going. Click continue. What you need to bring. So this explains you must bring original documents unless we ask for a photocopy. Your appointment will be rescheduled if you don't bring everything with you. What they need? Applicant's document. They need old passport, any current or expired passport from other countries that haven't been cancelled, either photo color copy, every page including blank pages, or the physical passport. So just take all the documents with you. If any of the following apply, you need to bring additional document. For example, apply for British National Overseas BNO passport, apply for a British Protected Person passport, change your gender, change British nationality status in your passport to British citizen. So you will click continue. Next step is paying for your passport. We don't accept any prepaid cards, so they just accept Visa, Masters, all these cards. Standard passport with Royal Mail, tracked delivery included, £178. Click continue. Declaration, just agree everything, obviously. Click continue. This will take you to the payment page. Card number, they need Visa, MasterCard, Maestro. These are the accepted ones. Expiry date, name on the card, security code. Click continue. Next step is they will send you the code on your phone. You just need to put that code in. Confirm your payment. So if all the details are correct, if you're happy, confirm payment. Payment is processing, submitting application. You have paid. We have saved your application. You can download your confirmation. This is the application reference number. Your 1 week fast track application. Appointment is tomorrow. So this is the address where I'm going. Appointment usually lasts for 10 minutes. Don't arrive any earlier than 10 minutes before your appointments. What you need to bring? You need to bring these things. After the appointment, we'll start processing your application after the appointment. If there is a problem, we need more information, we'll contact you. Track your application. So you can always track your application by using this link. So what I'll just copy this. So to track, I'll click on this link and I have to enter the code. So if I do PEX, so I'll put my code in and it should be exactly in the same format, because obviously I haven't done it yet. So I don't think so it should show me the details, but let's check, because I need to give I got the appointment tomorrow. So but still we can check that how it looks like. So click continue. Okay, we'll see you at the appointment. That's what it says. This is explains that what you need to bring and your appointment history, application received, application submitted. So it's quite a good system, and this will help you out if you want it to do. If you have come to my channel first time, don't forget to subscribe. I've created loads of videos. I have also created a video if you have lost the passport. In that case, what you need to do. If you wanted to renew your passport, then what you need to do. So I've explained with loads of videos that you can do everything yourself. Everything is available on gov.uk.